Bow to the Queen. Today is very rainy and windy. Ang ganda. Kahit foggy. Oh, look! We made it! Hello goers, good morning. It's me again, Cam, and today is our day 2 here in Taipei. Yesterday, we landed dito sa Taiwan and we went to Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall and Taipei 101. For today, we're going to Yelyu Geopark, Jufen Shifen, and Golden Waterfall. So, nag-avail ako nito sa Klook. Lalagay ko dito sa baba how much yung package. Meeting time natin is 9:30. Pero since it's just 7 o'clock pa lang naman, mag-breakfast muna tayo. Yung start ng breakfast dito sa baba, second floor, 7 a.m. So, papakita ko sa inyo later kung ano yung mga food options doon. Ang forecast daw today is medyo maambon, pero hopefully hindi naman ganun kalakas. Ketchup, apple, orange, spoon and fork, and then popcorn chicken, boiled egg. Meron silang maybe Filipino, mangyaring kung pag-usap pa ng pagkain. Curry rice, vegetarian. Silk thread roll, fried pork. Yan yung mga plate. Butter, toaster, soft French bread, toast, cream bun, toaster, soup, beef stew, and ito yung rice. Steam pancake, black fungus salad, Japanese coffee station, and water dispenser. Hello goers, so yun yung food options nila for today's breakfast. Papakita ko din tomorrow and sa upcoming days. So ito muna yung kinuha ko. Tapos maulan today. Pero hopefully mamaya wag naman masyado. Sabi naman sa forecast hanggang 9 a.m. lang daw yung ambon and it will be cloudy throughout the day. Kain na kami breakfast. Thank you. Hello goers! So umalis na tayo ng hotel. Pupunta na tayo ng Ximen Station para dun sa meet-up location ng ating Klook tour. We're now here in Taipei Main Station from Ximen Station. So, umalis tayo ng mga 8:30 from the hotel since malapit naman tayo sa Ximen Station. Hindi na tayo sumakay. And then ngayon, dito na tayo sa Taipei Main Station. Hanapin lang natin yung East Gate 3 kasi yun yung meetup location. Ito tayo. So, hinahanap natin yung M3. Ayun, sabi M3, straight ahead. Station. Okay, sige, akyat tayo dito. Ayun. Exit East 3. Dito yung mga meet-up locations ng mga tour. So, I'm not sure if nandito na yung sa atin, no? Kasi yung assembly time is 9:30. Time check, 9:01. Tinatanong nila kung sinong tour guide.
And here is the tag, the leader, or you can hang on the back for one. Of course, my personal contact numbers. And here is our bus numbers.
Okay.
Please take pictures.
9:09.
Yes. Send me a message. Tell me you are group number 3 today.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. I received the message today. Weather wonderful. Probably rain. if you don't want to buy the raincoat here, our first stop you can buy the raincoat. That's C.
Okay.
So buy things, anything you need from Family Mart. You must use toilet at least an hour, and come back here at 9:15. We'll go on the bus by the orders of mine. So
Alright.
probably later I will move to there. So
Okay.
find me.
Alright.
Find me.
Okay.
Okay.
So 9:15. No later than that. See you then.
All right,
Thank you. For every group, merong leader. So yan, si Habs yung nagsuot nung parang name tag. So yung tour guide natin si Kate Shea. Sabi niya, bili lang daw muna ng mga kailangan sa Family Mart. Then, if bathroom break, mag-CR na. Tapos, regroup na lang 9:15. So, may raincoat naman na tayong dala kasi the forecast talaga was it will be rainy today. Pero hindi naman ganun sobrang lakas. Pero we prepared umbrellas and raincoats for each person. So I think we're good to go. Just wait for 9:15. We're on the way to the bus.
On the bus, we are going to use the seats. We're going to use the Sensi whole dates.
We're now here sa bus and there's one group remaining pero if hindi na yun mag-show up then we will go ahead without that group. So time check, it's 9:30. Ayan. Kung ano yung seat na naupuan natin ngayon, it will be the same seat hanggang mamaya for the whole day.
以及发生事故时未系安全带的影响。另外，请避免要求驾驶员在发车前过早到达等待及增加额外行程，造成超时站。两侧安全窗旁，使用时取下车窗起火器，对准安全窗4分钟。
And today, according to the weather forecast, it's going to rain whole day. Yeah. Prepare for the worst and pray for the best.
Hello goers, nag-ask yung tour guide if meron na kaming ticket for the Geo Park. So since wala pa kaming nabook na ticket, $120 each siya. So times 4 adults, so 480. If meron kayong kasamang mga senior, pero hindi naman Taiwan residents, it's still counted as regular price. More or less 1 hour yung biyahe papuntang Geo Park. So, pwede tayong matulog muna.
So 12 minutes we will arrive. 12 minutes we will arrive. If you need to do some makeup, it's time.
Hello goers, we're now here in Yelyu Visitor Center. Yung tour guide natin bibili lang ng ticket. So inabot na natin yung bayad sa kanya kanina sa bus. Ayan, nakabili na siya ng ticket. Yan yung itsura ng Queen's Head throughout the years.
86년도서부터는 얇아집니다. 99년도는 더 다이어트를 했어요.
The picture. We have 1 hour to explore itong Yelyu Geopark. So by 11:35 dapat nakabalik na tayo sa bus. Time check, 10:39 a.m. Unahin natin yung Queen's Head sa Zone 2 tapos pabalik tayo Zone 1. Today is very rainy and windy. Dito tayo pa Queen's Head. So always follow the road. The road may be very slippery kapag ganito yung weather. So just make sure to watch your step. Grabe ang hangin. I can see the Queen's Head from here. The reason we're visiting Queen's Head first is baka kasi mag-erode na siya in the next few years. Always watch your step. It's slippery when wet. Ang cute nung shape. Bow to the queen. That's the queen's head and this is the queue para mag-take ng picture. So medyo mahaba pero tolerable naman. While waiting in line, you can take photos here. Dito. So ito kasi yung pila. Andun yung queen's head. Malapit na tayo. Time check. 11:35 meet up. It's now 11:01. Konti na lang yung time. Pero at least nakapag-picture-picture na kaming apat while nakapila. Walking here is allowed but make sure to exercise caution. Especially if ganito yung weather. Sobrang hangin. Naka-raincoat lahat almost. We're done with the Queen's Head photo. Okay, now we're coming back to our bus. If you didn't bring a raincoat or umbrella with you, there are ladies na nagtitinda doon. So you can buy from them. I'm not sure how much. Okay, bye! I'm wearing my winter boots. So its grip is great. So I would suggest check the weather before going to Taipei if you're going to visit YLU Geopark. So you can prepare your OOTD. So in my case, I know ito kasi is more on snow, pang snow yung grip niya. That's why I really decided to wear this today. Not much rain but definitely windy because nandito tayo sa may dagat, no? We just exited from the Geopark. So meron mga comfort room dito. Meron pa naman tayong mga 5 minutes. More than 5 minutes para mag-bathroom break. So, ito pala yung, aside from the ladies who offer raincoats, meron din mga tianggi doon that sell raincoats, umbrellas, and other items that you may find useful. Nakaalis na kami from YLU Geopark. Medyo challenge lang if you're booking a tour because you need to stick with the timeline para hindi rin makaabala dun sa ibang kasama natin sa tour. But I think it was okay. We got to see the Queen's Head and nakapag-picture din naman tayo while in line. 45 minutes yung biyahe papunta dun sa next stop natin. This is the map of Geofen. This is one of our upcoming stops pero dadaan muna tayong Golden Waterfall. And numbered yung mga shops dito. In-explain naman ng tour guide yung meeting place, yung 7-Eleven, number 2. And then, dito sa Ami Tea House, yung famous photo spot. So, you have to go down to number 155. She also explained yung sa theater that we can also visit this one. And it's free of charge even going inside the theater. And nag-recommend din siya ng mga food spots. Number 92 for mugwort rice cake, taro balls, and number 17 or 25. Malapit na tayo din sa Yinyang Ocean. I think mga 2 minutes away na lang. Yung refinery site. Pero it's more on for picture purposes lang. We made it to the Yinyang Sea. Kung makikita nyo, two-tone siya, no? Medyo yellowish, green, then naging yung blue. But ito yung observation deck of the Yinyang Sea. Talagay. North side of the Sinuandong Settlement of Tourism District. Ayan. Abandoned na siya, wala nang tao doon. So, it was a mining facility. Tapos, nagsara na siya. Lumakas bigla yung ulan. Balik mo kami sa bus. 5 minutes lang naman yung stop dito sa Yinyang and dun sa refinery relics. So, yun. Medyo challenge lang. Doon pa lang kami umakyat. Ayan. Kung makikita niyo yung stairs doon. So, yan yung paakyat na observation deck. challenge lang talaga kasi lumakas bigla yung ulan. So after this, meron pa tayong stop, yung waterfall before dun sa Geofen. So ready na lang natin yung payong natin palabas kasi mabilis lang din naman din. Parang photo spot lang din siya. We're now here sa falls. Ang ganda. Yan. Foggy na dun, no? Grabe. Yan. So, yung bus natin, temporary lang nag-park dito. So, photo spot lang siya. We're on our way to the next location. Time check, 12:35 p.m. Ito yung meeting place, 7-Eleven. Ayan. So, nilakad natin from doon sa ganito. Less than 2 hours na lang yung time natin to explore Geofen. There are so many people. It's a Friday, maybe that's why. The rain and the weather don't stop the people from visiting Geofen. Nag-offer na free taste yung iba.
Oolong tea.
Dito yung ocean view sana kaso walang zero visibility. Baba tayo dito. We're almost there. Ayan na yung pinipicture lang. Tapos sa left side yung parang observation deck or yung platform where we can take photos. We made it. Ang ganda. Kahit foggy. Good thing it's still visible even though it's foggy and rainy today. So this is similar to Studio Ghibli Spirited Away. Similar lang kasi hindi naman daw talaga yung inspiration. May restaurant dito. Cash only basis. So siguro dito na lang tayo kumain. Braised beef,
Dito na rin.
Taiwanese set meal. Time check, 1:20 na. Then, ang meet up natin will be 2:35. Siguro dito na tayo kumain. This is just across that. We are now in Skyline Tea House. This is the restaurant across the famous coastline view. Kain muna tayo ng lunch. Reserve na yung braised beef noodles, and then yung chicken, and then yung 3 rice. Thank you. Mabilis lang yung serving time dito sa Skyline Tea House. Mga 10 minutes lang. I think mas helpful yung raincoat kasi kapag umbrella, lagi kayong mababangga. I would suggest pala kapag maulan, yung makapal na raincoat na yung dalhin nyo. Kasi yung raincoat namin na dinala ngayon, yung manipis lang. So, ang daling masira. Every time kukunin sa bag, parang nabubugbog siya. So, ngayon, sira na yung mga raincoats namin. Butas-butas na. Kaya naman to i-DIY. Siguro solo traveler or a couple, baka pwede naman. Pero kapag yung mga ganitong tour, helpful talaga siya kasi wala ka nang iisipin sa transportation. After natin kumain, siguro balik na tayo or mag-picture-picture lang kami ulit kung medyo umokay na yung visibility. Marami rin mga shops and kainan dun sa narrow alleyways. Yung mga dinaanan natin kanina. Yun nga lang, ang dami kasi tapos umuulan pa. Although may mga bubong yung ibang parts, pero yung mga ibang restaurants naman doon na gusto din sana natin i-try, eh, puno din naman. Until we ended up here, so nag-picture tayo yung similar sa Spirited Away. Tapos, tapat lang nito yun. Tapos, konti lang din yung tao. So, medyo nakarelax tayo. Then, siguro for the bill, ilagay ko na lang dito sa baba kung magkano yung nagastos namin. Ito siya ngayon, para lang di ko malimot, pero lalagay ko sa baba yung total bill. Tapos na tayo mag-lunch, pero tingnan lang namin if may comfort room dito. Dito hindi sila familiar with the term CR or comfort room. I think they're more familiar with toilet or bathroom when referring to CR. Sa China, WC, as in WC, yung term nila for comfort room. Pero parang dito hindi nila, when we asked, parang hindi nila din alam. So, just ask toilet or bathroom. Galing tayo dun sa taas, bumaba na tayo dito. So, ito yung theater. Yan. Good thing, kahit papano tumigil na yung ulan. Ito yung ocean view supposedly. Meron din atang deck doon. But unfortunately, it's very foggy. Parang Silent Hill. Oo. Time check, 2:17. We need to go back to the bus. Oh, I mean, dun sa 7-Eleven pala yung meet-up place by 2:35. Grabe yung fog. Ito yung daan pabalik, pero you can choose to go back doon sa may mga shops. Pero if you're overstimulated like us, then if you prefer a chill walk na lang, then pwede nyo tong daanan instead. May CR din dito. Pero doon kami ni CR sa restaurant. Ang ganda. Sayang lang foggy, hindi natin masyadong makita yung details, pero nakakatuwa. Umakyat tayo. And ito na yung Family Mart. Ang cute to. Cat Cafe ba to? We're almost back. Kita ko na rin yung tour guide natin. Thank you, Lord. We're able to survive Jiufen despite the weather. We still appreciate its beauty. We're on our way to the waterfalls muna. And then dun sa Shifen Old Street. I'm not sure if visible sa camera kasi mas nakafocus dun sa ulan. Pero meron yun, no, yung mga na sumasabit na lantern. Ayan, ayun. Pero ano kasi siya, income generating din. And nililinas din naman daw nila. We're off to see the waterfalls. Shifen Waterfall. Koi fish. I hope from here on, wag nang umulan.
Meeting place here, 4:15, 4:15. If you are not showing up here, I'm not so worried about. You can walk all the way to the old street.
Yung pupuntahan natin, that's different from the first waterfall that we went to earlier. That was the Golden Waterfall, and we're off to Shifen Waterfall. We are now here on the suspension bridge. The bridge is very shaky. Maalugpag. Yes. I would not recommend going to this bridge if bagong kain lang kayo kasi if you have motion sickness. Pero maalug siya. I need to hold on to something. hold on to something if you're always out of balance like me. I look sick. But I think it's fun. But if may bagyo or something, this is nakakahilo siguro to. Okay, we're almost there. Oh my goodness. Okay. Did we make it? Okay, we made it. Yep. More koi fish over here. There's a comfort room here. Baba tayo para mas malapit. Hello, sheep and waterfall. We made it. Here's a closer look. Time check, 3:53. So it's time to go back. We're going up again, back to the suspension bridge. And we're back. So far, it's more chill compared earlier. It started raining again. It gets shaky if may kasalubong sa kabilang side. But we're almost there. We can make it. Yay! Medyo harap pa rin ako. We're back sa meeting spot at 4:02. We have time to spare. Perhaps let's go inside. We ordered coffee smoothie for $120. Back to our bus. We're off the bus again on our way to Old Street.
Hello guys, cage girl, please.
We have less than 1 hour to explore Old Street. From here, you can see those sky lanterns. I'm not sure if you can see them. Yan, yung mga maliliit na yan. Daanan pala to. Hello. Crowd report. Maraming tao. Pag nagsusulat daw ng ink, dahan-dahan kasi baka tumalsik daw sa damit. So kanina while we were in the bus, yung tour guide namin already asked for our preferred colors. So I think she have it prepared na para pagdating namin doon baka magsusulat na lang kami. But in our case, we haven't paid for the lanterns yet. So yun yung Código Red for help, peace, and...
Okay, if you finish two sides, they will help you to flip.
Okay.
Yeah.
Color pink, it's attraction and popularity. Wishful thinking tayo, goers. Baka kayang i-push 1 million subscribers. So, salamat sa mga nagsusupport as early as now. Malay nyo, mag-boom tayo. So, sa mga nakasubscribe na ngayon, thank you. So, doon na tayo sa Yellow, Money and Wealth. Okay, so more travels for us. We're done flying our sky lanterns. So, yung mga guide naman doon will suggest poses and they take pictures. Bibigay nyo lang yung phone nyo. Medyo maambon, but it's tolerable. Compared earlier, mag-CR na tayo kasi mamaya pabalik na tayo sa city. Wala nang stopover. We bought 2 sausages. Doon kami bumili ng sausage. Yan. $50 each. Time check 5:09. Meron pa tayong 5 minutes. Hello goers! We're on our way back to Taipei Main Station. Mga 1 hour and 30 minutes yung biyahe because it's a Friday. So, rush hour. Kaya medyo traffic. Our tour guide recommended night markets, local food, where to buy souvenirs, biscuits. We'll update you pag malapit na kami or kapag nakarating na kami dun sa Taipei Main Station. Time check! 5:43 p.m. Let's sleep in the meantime. Good evening, goers. We're back dito sa Taipei Main Station, East 3, 6:47. Mga 90 minutes nga yung biyahe. We're back here. Let's eat muna dito sa Taipei Main Station. Sa second floor daw yung parang food court. Ito pala yung itsura sa gabi. Ang cute. May mga pop-up. May mga installation. Ang cute. Maraming shops din dito. Marami ring nag-chill. Ganda dito, no? Nakakatuwa. Akyat tayo pa second floor. We are now here sa second floor of Taipei Main Station. Meron ding Starbucks dito. Ito yung food court. Punuan doon. Ikot na lang tayo. Baka meron pa tayong makita na meron pang available seats. Dito na lang kami sa Burger King. Wala maraming tao sa lahat ng restaurants. And medyo pagod na rin. Mag-take out na lang tayo sa Burger King. Then, kainin na lang siguro sa hotel. 15 minutes daw yung order. Umorder kami ng cheesy Angus beef burger meal. 3 orders nun. 1 order na tender grill bacon burger. Ang total natin is $809. Then, meron tatawagin na lang dun sa upper right screen kung ready na yung orders. Friday din kasi ngayon, kaya marami talagang tao. Bawi na lang tayo sa ibang araw. Okay, nakuha na natin yung Burger King. Bumaba na tayo ulit. So, balik na tayo sa hotel. Doon na lang natin kainin yung dinner. Hello goers! We're back here dito sa hotel. So, yan yung food natin for tonight. Yung binook natin today is Yelyu Geopark, Geofence Shippen, and Golden Waterfall Day Tour. So, kanina nag-meet tayo mga 9 a.m. And then, our first stop is yung Yelyu Geopark. And then, we made quick stops dun sa Yin-Yang Ocean, or Yin-Yang Sea, and dun sa refinery site, and then dun sa Golden Waterfall. Next is dun sa Geofen, where we spent most of our time. Dun din tayo nag-lunch, and then yung sa Shippen Waterfall, and the last day sa Shippen Old Street. So, question is, would I recommend this tour? Probably yes, especially kasi mas nakaka-save ng time, mas nakaka-save din ng hassle, kasi for sure maraming lipat-lipat. Though kaya naman siya i-DIY, pero sa ngayon, first time kasi natin dito sa Taiwan, so we opted na mag-cloak na lang. I will recommend this tour. Challenging lang today kasi maulan. Parang speedrun yung dating kapag ganitong tour talaga, especially if maulan, kasi mas nagmamadali tayo and mas pagod. Pero enjoy naman. We are blessed to have visited such wonderful places despite the weather. So yun lang muna for tonight. Kakain lang kami, then maliligo na rin, magpapahinga. So tomorrow na lang ulit. Thank you for coming and going dito sa day 2 natin in Taiwan. So see you tomorrow for our day 3. Thank you. Bye!